Hey guys, it's Ashley from Editor Reviews, and today we're unboxing Misfits Market. This is my first box for May. So if you're not familiar with this is an Ugly Produce subscription box. It comes weekly or bi-weekly. You get to select everything in your box now completely. Like you're not even limited to just fruits and vegetables, which to be honest, I kind of don't like. And if you don't customize, they won't send you a box. Last week, I got the email and I felt overwhelmed by the new options, and so I didn't choose. I thought they'd surprise me, and they didn't. They didn't send anything at all, so that was interesting. This is their larger Madness box. It's $35. There is also a smaller one called the Mischief box, and that is $22. So everything is organic, non-GMO. The boxes are all recyclable. The ingredients are compostable, biodegradable, whatever, however they can do that. These, I would not recommend putting these down your sink though. I know they say that you can do that. Don't do that. It's a bad idea. All right, let's get in. Yeah. I remember I said artichokes. Yay, I love artichokes. All right, so right on top we have an artichoke. Yum, yum. Actually, I have to take pictures. All right, I see some asparagus. Yum, yum as well. There looks like there's two bunches. Something about this box is they double up in the larger, so that if you have a larger family like I do, you can have a portion for dinner, which is really nice. In here, it looks like we have two peaches. I believe those are peaches. I think I selected peaches. No, an English cucumber. So there's one. There's probably more, two. There we go. I see some avocados. So there's two avocados. We love avocados. Those are not ripe at all. Those need to ripen quite a bit. All right, so there's two mangoes. Now these are close to expiration. Very, like you can see visibly. So that's something to think about. Sometimes you have to be okay with that kind of stuff. I don't mind, but I know some people are very odd about that. Not odd, but you know what I mean. Two apples. And now we'll go on to the side. Another artichoke. Here's that. Let's get some Brussels sprouts. We love Brussels sprouts. Mushrooms. I think I have some mushrooms, so now I have more. Acorn squash, which is my favorite squash. These are hearty. They're great just sliced and roasted with some garlic, salt, pepper. Totally delicious. And there are two. So this is enough. One of these is enough for a meal for our family. So 2 meals there, and they last forever. All right, some oranges. Simple and to the point. Looks like there are these lemons or oranges? I don't know. I think that might be a lemon. I do think I selected lemons. So hold on, let me just 3 oranges, 2 lemons. There we go. And then 2 red onions. My favorite onions, if you're making anything raw. They're great on sandwiches and salads. They just have a good pop of flavor. And I think they're the best. They're my favorites. So anyway, so for your $35 spend, acorn squash, artichokes, asparagus, apples. Wait, no, peaches, apples, Brussels sprouts. Mushrooms, cucumbers, onion, avocado, mango, oranges, lemons. Amazing, right? Great, great deal. I will link down below to Misfits Market. I do have a coupon code that will give you 25% off your first box and 25% off my next box. I'll also link to my full review where we'll go in depth and all that good stuff. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.